TheDevKing here, back with a brand new video. Now in today's video, I am going to be ranking my Roblox games. Now you guys may not know my Roblox games, so of course I'm going to play them through with you just a little bit to show you guys what they are, and then I'm going to rank them on this scale. As you can see, we got favorites, good, okay, don't play, and then the worst, delete this. I'm not going to lie, there might be a few games in this category that are going to get ranked in the delete this, but we'll see. Anyways, we'll get started with the first game, which is the block game. Alright, so as you guys can see here, I have the block game, okay? It has about 150k visits, 1,600 favorites, and actually 5 people are playing it right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and join this guy's server actually and see what they're up to, okay? Now basically the block game, if you guys don't know, it's kind of like Minecraft but in Roblox. I basically made it for a video, and oh, what the heck? As you can see, we're on a little island with this guy right here, and I guess they're just playing. I don't know, they're not doing much. Okay, now as you can see, it's already kind of bad because why is that block like this? This is literally cursed. Okay, it should not look like that. Okay, that makes no sense. But it's kind of cool though because you can actually mine blocks, as you can see, and then you can get the block, and then you can place it down. So I can place it there, and I can basically build whatever I want. That's kind of the cool thing about this game. And everyone is a Minecraft Steve, as you can see. They're asking for a screenshot. But just the fact that you have like a kind of a sandbox building game is what's kind of cool. And sometimes they kind of break. But yeah, I'm building. Now the only problem is that's pretty much all there is to this game. I didn't really make much to it. I kind of started it and didn't do much with it. And whatever happens normally, and what happens normally when you join the server is that there's just a million blocks always placed and you fall out of the sky. But yeah, kind of cool basic mechanics. Alright, anyways, you get the point of this game though. Pretty simple, not much there. So I'm gonna rank this as okay, obviously, because there's not much to do with it, but also kind of cool. There's some building mechanics, and someone could play it and actually might be able to enjoy it because they can be creative and build whatever they want. Alright, so for the next game, we have the 2D game. Now this game, as you can see, has 82k visits, 3,000, but it's a 2D game. Now I also made a video on this if you want to see more in depth, and as you can see, we spawn in or we join the game. We have a little menu that says play game. You hit play, and then choose your map, and you have stage 1, and as you can see, it's a 2D game. You collect coins, and you have to like kind of dodge certain things and jump. You can go down or up, as you can see. I'll go up this time, and oh, I got a jump potion, okay. And whoa, now I can jump. I'm not gonna lie, this game's actually kind of cool. Like, it's also kind of basic, but you know, kind of cool at the same time. This one you have to be careful with because the fire starts and stops, and if it touches you, you die. So, right here maybe? Oh, I died. And as you can see, it gets kind of raging because it says good try, and then you just die, and then you respawn. So I'm not gonna lie, this actually could be kind of enjoyable. The only thing I don't like about it is the fact that it's not multiplayer. But this time I'm actually gonna go downstairs, and oh, we have the same fire thing here. Crap. Dang it, I died again. I want to get to the second stage at least. Okay, let's try this again. All right, I'm gonna run. Go. No, I died again. Okay, I'm getting mad. Okay. Come on. Go. Okay, I made it past. Invincibility potion. This is actually kind of useful because whenever you go through the fire, you don't die with it. So I'm gonna save this for later though. And as you can see, we beat the first stage. Let's go ahead and walk on it, and boom, second stage. All right, I'm not gonna go through the whole game, but as you can see, I'm invincible, which is kind of cool. But anyways, that's pretty much that. You get the point of this game. If you want to see more on this, you can go watch the video on that. It's pretty cool. All right, now since this game is a 2D game, I can't really rate it that high. Like, it's okay, but at the end of the day, it's literally a 2D game. It has decent content, and there's not really many bugs with it. So honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna put it at okay or pretty good. Honestly, okay, since it's single player, I'm putting it on an okay. I think it's okay. All right, the next game we have is Find the Button. There's actually someone in this game right now too. This game has the most visits out of all my games. It has 400,000, and it has 4,000 favorites. But anyways, basically the premise of this game is it's Find the Button. So what you have to do is find the button, and you click it, and then you go to the next level. So boom, find the button on the next level. Now it's kind of unfair for me because I know what all the buttons are, so it's not really that fun. But as you can see, you find each button, you go to the next level. This one has a second little stage to it. So you click that door, and now you're in here. Boom, reception, boom. Now this is also for a video. I actually bought this game off of somebody, and then I kind of fixed it up a little bit. Anyways, kind of cool. A lot more stages, but I'm not gonna go through all of them. Basically, you find the button, and you beat the game if you can find every single button on each stage. So honestly, I'll put this on pretty good since it has 400k visits, which is the most. All right, next we have Justice Jungle. All right, now this game I actually made with one of my friends. Actually, Robuilder, if you guys know him, he's another YouTuber. We actually made this game in 24 hours, so keep that in mind whenever you're watching it. Okay, there's actually quite a few bugs here. I'm not gonna lie, but it is pretty cool. Oh, okay, there's actually some players in here already. Okay, but as you can see, there's a few people playing. But basically, the premise of this game is you spawn in, right? There'll be 25 plates in the middle, and what happens is random stuff basically happens. So as you can see, there's a low gravity event right now. Sometimes your plate will freeze, sometimes your plate will shrink, sometimes your plate will grow, right? But basically, your goal is to be the last one standing, and if you are, then you win the game. Oh, this guy said, oh. Now as you can see, that guy jumped off, so that means the last guy was alive was the winner, and it gave him a win. Now the map I'd say on this one is probably the best out of all of them because my friend is a decent builder. But yeah, okay, so as you can see, now we have an intermission, which is 10 seconds, and once the intermission's over, then basically everyone will spawn in. So watch this. All right, as you can see, we're all in. There's actually a lot of people in here. What the heck? How does so many people join so fast? Okay, so the goal is to stay alive as long as you can, and so you can actually kill the people, and if you kill the people, then obviously that helps you be the last one standing, but you don't have to. Oh, and as you can see, that guy's plate is lowering right there. Okay, now I'm not gonna lie, I don't like this game that much because we developed in obviously 24 hours, so there's a lot of problems with it, but also we just didn't make the events happen fast enough. And so as you can see, we're kind of just chilling here for like a minute or two and nothing really happened. So it's pretty slow. I think that's the problem with this game. Pacing is really bad. Obviously, making it 24 hours is not gonna be the best ever, so it kind of makes sense. But yeah. Oh, airdrop. Got a teleport tool. Oh, let me see. Oh, I got a sword. Let's go. Oh, rocks. No, now I'm stuck down here. Dang it. Oh, this plate's on fire. That means those guys are dying. Oh, I just killed that guy. No, why did I kill him? That means his plate's gonna get destroyed. Oh, okay, I just died. Well, as you can see, you get the point. You're supposed to be the last one alive, and also if you die, your place gets destroyed. So that was kind of a dumb idea for me killing him, but honestly, kind of cool. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much this game. All right, so for this game, I'm gonna give it pretty good because it's decent, but the problem is the pacing. I feel like with some fixing, it could be better low key, but it just needs some fixing with the placing and also just adding more stuff to the game because, like I said, it was made in 24 hours, so we didn't have much time to do much. All right, so for the next one, I got Tunneling Simulator. Now, this game was made in 2018. This is by far my oldest like actual game, I'd say. And as you can see, the description says this game's never coming out. It was just for practice, okay? But it's basically a simulator, but it just has a lot of problems. Now, don't bully me too hard in the comments, okay? I made this when I was like 13 or 14 or something, okay? So don't bully me, please. But as you can see, we're in the game. Oh, look how bad it is already. But basically, the goal of the game is you basically get your pickaxe out and you mine stuff. Now, I swear it used to work, okay? It literally did before, but for some reason now when you try to mine stuff, it doesn't work. But what happened is you mine it, you get ice, and then you can sell it for 1 coin. And you come here, you sell it, and you get more coin. Now, that was cool because obviously it was kind of like a simulator, you know what I mean? Now, the shop, I don't know why we have 2 shops. As you can see, there's like a shop here and there's like a shop here. I'm not sure what was going on there. We also have a game pass with the walk speed, which I already have, as you can see. But then you can buy better backpacks and you can also buy a better pickaxe. So as you can see, I bought it and it literally just didn't work. Hold on, look at how many errors we have in the log. Oh my gosh. Yep, and in the server too, this is horrible. Now keep in mind, guys, I barely knew how to script back then, so you can't bully me too hard, guys. I'm sorry, I was just bad at scripting. But honestly, I might try to redo some of these games. Let me know if you guys like a video where I like kind of remade my old Roblox games. I feel like that'd be pretty entertaining. But let me know in the comments below if you'd like that. Okay, now since I made this one like in 2018 when I was like barely knew how to script, I'm gonna give it okay, alright? I can't give it don't play. Actually, yes, I can. I'm giving it don't play. It literally doesn't work, so like I wouldn't even try that game. I mean, there's so many bugs with it, it doesn't even work. So I actually kind of have to give it don't play. But yeah. All right, next one we got Tapwater's Avi. Now, if you guys don't know, I have another YouTube channel called Tapwater. But basically, this was my first ever game. As you can see, it was in 2017. I didn't even know how to script back then. Okay, maybe I knew how to print hello world or something like that, but I barely knew how to script. I basically all I did was I made a little Avi and I published it. And as you can see, that's 28 favorites. We're going kind of viral. Now, the reason why I'm even mentioning this, even though this is barely really a game, is just because this is my first ever thing I actually published. So like, it kind of made me feel like an actual game. And I'm pretty sure, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it actually saves your checkpoints. But let me try. Okay, I stepped on this. And there's no way. Okay, well, no, that didn't work. I don't know why it took me so long to respawn in like 10 seconds, but as you can see, that doesn't really work. And it's honestly just a crappy obby. But the reason why, like I said, I put this in is because it feels just really nostalgic. It was my first ever game, I would say, even though it's not really a game. So I'm just kind of, you know, looking back on it like, wow, you know, I learned how to script and stuff, and it's been a long time. But yeah, I built this whole map by myself, guys. I know I'm a professional builder. All right, what can I say? What can I say? But anyways, yeah, that's that. All right, so I'm gonna have to put this one, guys. I'm gonna have to put it on delete this, guys. I'm sorry, but obviously that's horrible. It doesn't really even do anything. So I'm gonna have to put that on delete this. All right, now for the next one, we got Stranded. Now this game was really never finished either, but I did do some work on it, and I did start working on it in 2019. Now I knew how to script at this point, but I obviously still wasn't as advanced, and I also for some reason just didn't finish the game. I'm not sure why, but let me show you guys actually what it's like. It's basically like a survival game, but it's not finished at all. I have a few basic features of it. As you can see, I have like, you can basically place buildings down. So I have 3 wood right here, as you can see, and it costs 2 wood to make a wall. So if I click the wall, I can actually place it down, and it's cool because it's like a range. You know what I mean? As you can see, it's red over there. That means I can't place it there, but if it's green, that means it's close enough. I can place a wall, so I can build like a little base almost. So I think that's kind of cool. I can rotate the walls around whenever I want, and then I can make a gate, and the gate doesn't even open right now, so don't mind that. But I don't know, I think it's actually kind of cool. But also I can drop wood, and I can pick up wood. So as you can see, I'm dropping a lot of wood right now, and then if I press F on it, I pick it up, and my number increases in my inventory. So that's kind of cool. I can also drop the chicken, the leaves, all that. Now also, you're supposed to be able to mine. So as you can see, okay, the animation doesn't even work. I don't know why that doesn't work, but yeah, the health just barely went down and now it's stuck on the screen. That's horrible. Let's see if we can spawn a chest in. Oh, we did. Okay. Oh, okay, there's a chest. Okay, the chest also doesn't work. All right, honestly, guys, this is horrible too. I don't know why I don't have a face either. Like, I'm just faceless and bald. Pretty horrible, but it is what it is. Now, honestly, if I see myself finishing any game, it's probably going to be this one, guys, because I have so many assets for it. I just need to do it. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if I should finish this game. So I'm gonna have to put this on don't play as well. It's literally not really playable. Doesn't really do much, but it is kind of cool. So I'll put it above Tunneling Simulator. Okay, next we got Rap Battles. All right, now this game is actually kind of cool. I made this pretty recently, so because obviously voice chat came out recently. But basically, if you guys couldn't tell, it's like voice chat with rap battles, so that's why it's kind of cool. And the thing is, I actually need someone else to join my game to have voice chat, so I hope someone joins the voice chat because I won't be able to play it if that doesn't happen. But as you can see, we have a little UI, shop, emotes, basic stuff. I made it basically just for the video, and I also thought it'd be pretty funny to use, so that's why I made it. Now the problem with it is that voice chat, you really can't manipulate it too much at the moment. You can't mute people with scripts. You also can't change people's volume with scripts. There's really not much you can do with it right now, which is why it's kind of a problem. And also, people aren't good as rapping as you'd think. I mean, myself included, to be honest with you. All right, now I'm not even gonna show you guys that because I already have clips of it. I made that video recently. Honestly, I'm gonna put that one on don't play as well. Maybe okay, but it's just, yeah, it's just bad because no one really knows how to rap, and it just never, it's good, trust me. All right, I got something pretty simple for the last one. As you can see, I have Avi, but every second speed rise. And this one actually has 500k visits, so I think this one has the most. There's also 2 players in here. We'll go ahead and join it real quick and see what it's like. All right, now as you can see, you're at the little lobby right here. You have to press start. Once you press start, it starts in 5 seconds, and the door opens. So we have to basically start really slow. As you can see, I can barely move right now. I'm so slow, but every second my speed is rising. It might be kind of hard to tell, but I am going fast. Look at that guy back there. Look how slow he is. He's trying to come to me, but he can't. But as you can see, I am walking a little bit faster, speeding up for sure. Now look how bad it gets. Over here, as you can see, that level is like almost impossible. Look, that guy is so fast, he just ends up jumping across the whole thing. And then they just keep respawning. And that's what's kind of cool, because you start so slow, but then you get really fast. Oh, and I just died in my own game. That's cool. Okay, I'm actually like normal speed right now. That's nice. Oh, wow, that guy's getting fast. Yo, what the heck? How did he get so fast? That guy's faster than me. How did he get faster than me? What the heck? Okay. I don't still have like super speed, thankfully, so I can actually do it. Come on. Okay, and boom, I did it. Let's go. Now, this one's kind of hard too, I'm not gonna lie, but no, I still don't have super speed, so I'm chilling. Now, this one you can literally just cheat on because you're so fast. You can just jump across the whole thing. So it's kind of funny. Oh, I died. But you get the point on this one. You jump through the whole thing. Anyway, this game is horrible. I don't know why I put me back at the start. But yeah, essentially you get insanely fast where it's impossible. Alright, now I have to put that one on don't play, or maybe okay. It's okay. Got a lot of visits, so I guess it's okay. But wow. Okay, that's all my games, and I just realized that I didn't put a single one on favorites. I think that's telling me something, guys. I think that's telling me something for sure. But anyways, guys, that was pretty much the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to smash the like button if you did. Subscribe for more Roblox game development content like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.